Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for May 9th of 2025 is titled IXPE Explores a Black Hole Jet. So what do we see here? Well, here we see an illustration showing a black hole at the center and the accretion disk around it. And heading off toward the observer here and toward the bottom of the frame would be the jet being emanated from the region around the black hole. Now, black holes cannot emit anything from themselves. Once you cross the event horizon, nothing can get out. However, around the black hole, before you get to the event horizon, things can be expelled, and that's what is happening here and what is being studied. So the accretion disk, we've seen these around black holes, and that is material spiraling into the black hole. And we find that as material is spiraled into the black hole, often jets are expelled perpendicular to that accretion disk. And that is where a lot of the X-rays are believed to be produced. So we note that X-rays are produced by black holes, but understanding the process can be very difficult. So they seem to be now better understanding these as we look at them with the IXPE satellite, which studies X-rays. Then we can start to understand that we looked at these X-rays from a specific object known as BL-LAC, which is an example of a blazar, a very energetic central core of a galaxy containing a supermassive black hole, and found that they lacked a lot of polarization. So polarization or alignment of the photons coming out, in this case in X-rays, really tells us a little more that they're produced by electrons. So it is electrons producing these, and one of the things that we're recently coming to understand then how these are produced, that it is not produced by protons, which was another possibility, but that would give you more polarization. So here we're starting to understand that it is electrons spiraling around here that are energized that seem to be giving off most of the X-rays that occur. Now, of course, this is not something we can see directly, and that's why we have an artist's conception or illustration here looking at what we would be able to see if we could image this kind of thing up close. We are getting to the point now where we can image the accretion disks and even the event horizon shadow around black holes. But really being able to understand the jets of material being expelled, these are some of the most highly energetic processes that occur in the universe. So when we imagine material spiraling into these supermassive black holes, that makes these central regions producing far more energy than pretty much anything else we look at in the universe. So there is a way to trying to better understand these really helps our understanding of similar processes that may occur closer to home. So that was our picture of the day for May 9th of 2025. It was titled IXPE Explores a Black Hole Jet. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Yogi on Mars 3D. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.